Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will see the examination question on the topic of vectors, compose and resolve velocities. This is a part of the syllabus of O-level additional mathematics. In the previous video, we have seen in detail the understanding of this concept. I will attach the link in the description below. You can see it there. And if you want to watch more videos on the topic, you can visit my website address and my blog address. So let's see this examination question. This is talking about a ship which was observed by the Coast Guard at 1200 hour, and the position of the ship was this. If I see with respect to this column vector, the position vector I'm talking about is this, at this green spot. You can see here with respect to origin, this is 16 unit and this is 12 unit. Because you have to visualize the situation only then it is easy to solve, right? You can understand better. So at 1200 hour, the ship was at this position. The ship was here. Now, why did I draw this arrow here? It is written here, the ship is moving at a steady speed of 10 km per hour in the direction on the bearing of 330 degree. Now, we know when we are talking about bearing, if ship is here, if I draw north here, for example, right? So 330 degree is this whole part. So this will be 30 degree and this will be 60 degree. So when I will resolve this vector into two parts, x and y, it will be x unit here and y unit here. And this is the diagram I have shown here. Because we need to resolve this vector, this velocity which is going in the direction of 330 degree bearing and with the speed of 10. So how we will find out this x and y? Why do we need it? Because question is saying find the value of p such that minus 5p kilometer per hour represents the velocity of the ship. So basically he's talking about velocity vector, okay, of this vector. So simply by using trigonometric ratio, sine cos tan, we have seen in detail in the previous video, I am finding out the value of x and y. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I've got the value. Now, this is 5 here because we have just calculated, but you will see that because you are going on the left hand side direction, you will use minus along, and that is the reason minus is given here, right? So it's not that you must get it in the calculation, because we are using acute angle, it always gives us positive value. So my P answer will be 5 root 3. Right? P is representing the value of, Y is representing the value of P. And because I'm going in the upward direction, so it will remain plus. So the velocity vector of the ship is minus 5 root 3 meter per second. Now, second part of the question is saying, write down in terms of T, the position vector of the ship relative to O, T hours after 1200. So what will be the position of the ship after T hours if you already know the old position at this time? Now we have seen in the previous video, video 1, that we can easily find out the new position with respect to A plus TV. A represent old position and this represent how much distance covered in a particular time. And we know distance is equals to speed into time, and we are talking about here constant movement. So we simply do r is equals to a plus tv. Now r in this case is this position 1612. T I have to express this relation in terms of t, so I will write t as it is, and the velocity with which ship is moving constantly at this column vector. So this will help me to generate a column vector with the help of which I can find out the position of the ship at any particular time. I just need to plug in T and I will get the position of the ship at that time with respect to origin, of course. Now, next part of the question is saying, find the time when the ship is due north of O. Now, due north of O mean, this is my north with respect to XY plane. So it is coming here at certain time, it will come somewhere here. So it is in the north of O. So I have to find out how long the ship will take to go from here to here. This is exactly on the north of O. Okay, so this is the meaning of the question. So what comes in your mind? How will you find out this? And this will help you for that. Can you think about it? This is telling you X distance from origin. This is telling you Y distance from origin. So if you see here, the X component will be 0. Why? When I am on this line, on the Y axis, I am not moving left and right, only up. So my X component will be 0. So this is the important concept here. You will put 16 minus 5t is equals to 0 to get the time. You got 3.2 here. How did you get 1512? Any idea? You will multiply, because 3 is representing hour. So you need to change this 0.2 hour into minutes. So if I multiply 0.2 by 60, what it will be? 12 minutes. Agreed? So, and how did I get 15? Because we started with 1200 hour when chip started from here. So 1200 plus 3 is 15 and this is 12 minutes. So this is how you got the time when it was in the north of O. Okay. Now, next part of the question is, find the distance of the ship from O at this time. Now, when ship was here, what was this distance? And how will I find that? I think it is easy. This is giving you what? Position of y along y-axis with respect to origin. So if I just plug in t, the value of t, which is 3.2 here, and then find out, calculate it, I will get the distance of ship at this point from origin. So I'm substituting the value here in this one. I'm substituting here, but I don't need it. This will be 0 automatically. So I can simply use it and write down answer in 3 significant figure. So I hope you understood this type of examination question. I'm showing you 3 or 4 practice questions with their answers only. If you want solution, please write in the comments. I will definitely upload the solutions. So you can put the video on pause, take a picture. So this is one question with the answers. If you see, we are talking about speed, position vector, certain time, position vector with respect to t. So more or less what we have just seen. This is the next question with answers here. And this is, I think, second last. I put 4 questions as I remember. So you can try it, all these questions. I hope you will be able to solve. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. If you think it is worth watching, take care. Allah Hafiz.